Looked at the reaction of acid bases in class before here, so we're going to continue to do that again. We have HCl plus NaOH give me H2O plus NaCl. Remember, HCl is my acid, NaOH is my base, NaCl is my salt, and H2O, of course, is my water. And this reaction is also referred to as a neutralization reaction. Whenever an acid reacts with a base, we get a neutralization reaction. All right, now we're looking at something called buffers. Buffers are solutions that are resistant to change in pH. In order to have a buffer, we're going to need a weak acid and a like anion salt. Okay, so an example here would be if I gave you the weak acid, oh, there we go, acetic acid, HC2H3O2, and a like anion salt, NaC2H3O2, don't remember the negative. This is my like anion salt because it's C2H3O2 is sodium, and the weak acid is acetic acid. Now we'll discuss in class how the reaction works. It's something called common ion effect, and we'll do that in class. Now we're also going to look at something called indicators. Indicators are substances that change pH, determine change by changes in color, all right? Now, these are weak acids. Remember, they go into equilibrium, okay? We will demonstrate for you the process of weak acid indicators. Alrighty. Now, again, I'll explain in class how that works by looking at the process of diffraction. All right. Now, last thing to do, on the week you get back from your Keystone PSSA week, we're going to do a lab which you're going to generate a formal lab. This will be a typed lab. It will be 50 points, and it will be due 2 weeks after you complete it. If you get it in the first week that it's done, I'll give you 3 points bonus. You get it in the second week, the week after it's done, I'll give you 2 points bonus. If you get it in the 2 days before it's due, you get 1 point bonus. And every day it's late, including weekends, I take 5 points off. This is a formal lab. Now, what is a formal lab? First thing you have to have on here typed is a title page. That's a title that you come up with on your own by your name, course, this is Chem 1, instructor, that's me, date, whatever day you're handing it in. You then have to have a purpose, 2 to 3 sentences, rephrasing the purpose in the lab, IYOW in your own words. Procedure, just like it's in the lab. Data table, exactly like it's in the lab. All right, calculations, you'll type out one of the 3 trials you're going to generate, okay? Show me one set, and then I want results, the molarity for each of the 3 trials you have, as well as the average, and a conclusion, again, 3 to 5 sentences. What you learned, explain any errors, and then I want your raw data sheet with my signature on there. The lab has to be done in pen because of the fact that I don't want you to be able to go back and change your answers. Okay, that is all the notes there. Any questions, let me know. We're done.